Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Liana. How are you feeling today? I hope you are having a soft and peaceful day. Today, we are going to look at a beautiful morning routine. For many of us, a quiet morning with a good cup of coffee can make our whole day brighter. Today, we will join Kate, a young woman living alone in her cozy city apartment. She is going to make her morning cappuccino. She has a special blue coffee setup from La Marzocco, including the Linea Micra machine and the Pico grinder. This video is recorded in slow and clear English at an A2 to B1 level. It is super easy to understand. So relax, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. It is 7 o'clock on a calm morning. The early morning light softly enters the room. Outside, the world is slowly waking up. But inside, everything is quiet and slow. Kate wakes up without any rush. She opens the window to let the fresh morning air in. Before starting her day, she walks over to her favorite place in the whole apartment, her small coffee corner. In this corner, sitting side by side, are her La Marzocco Linea Micra espresso machine and her Pico grinder. They are both in a lovely, calm blue color. For Kate, this blue color brings deep inner peace. Whenever she looks at her coffee corner, her busy mind slows down. Making coffee here is her favorite morning routine. Kate likes to choose her cup for the day. She opens her kitchen cabinet. Inside, there are many lovely coffee cups. Some are gifts from friends, and some she bought during her travels. Choosing a cup is a fun little decision every morning. Today, she picks a beautiful white handmade mug. It feels warm and thick in her hands. Small choices like this make her feel happy and ready for a good day. Kate turns on her blue Linea Micra machine. The machine has a classic design, but it is small enough to fit perfectly in her home space. A small red light starts to blink. This means the dual boilers inside are heating up the water for brewing coffee and making steam. While the machine is getting warm, Kate washes her hands and gets her milk ready. The simple sounds of the morning create a warm and cozy rhythm. The blue machine takes a few minutes to get hot and ready. Kate does not check her phone during this time. Instead, she slowly waters a small green plant near the window. She looks outside. The morning sun makes the green leaves glow. In a fast-moving city, these 5 minutes of quiet waiting are very precious. She learns to be patient and enjoy the quiet space before her busy day starts. Now, it is time to grind the coffee beans using her matching blue Pico grinder. Kate opens a bag of freshly roasted coffee beans. Instantly, A wonderful, rich smell of dark chocolate and roasted nuts fills the air. She weighs 17 grams of coffee beans on her digital scale. Then, she pours the beans into the hopper of the Pico grinder. The Pico grinder is very smooth and quiet. She presses the coffee handle under the grinder. Fresh coffee powder falls directly into the handle. The process is clean, fast, and satisfying. Next, Kate levels the coffee powder and uses a heavy metal tamper to press it down evenly. Now, the coffee surface is smooth and flat. Both indicator lights on the coffee machine are now steady. The machine is ready. Kate locks the handle tightly into the coffee machine. The machine starts working quietly and smoothly. After a few seconds, rich, dark coffee begins to flow into the cup. A layer of thick, golden cream, called Crema, forms gracefully on top. The extraction is steady and strong. The entire coffee corner smells amazing. Today, Kate wants to drink a warm cappuccino. She pours cold milk into a small metal cup. The steam pipe is very powerful and safe to touch. She places the pipe into the milk and opens the steam switch. In just about 10 seconds, the strong steam turns the cold milk into soft, thick foam. Now comes Kate's favorite part of the morning, latte art. She gently mixes the espresso, holds her cup, and begins to pour the smooth milk. Today, she tries to pour a white heart shape in the center. Latte art is not always easy. Sometimes the pattern looks like a perfect heart, and sometimes it looks like a funny white cloud. But Kate does not mind at all. Whether it turns out perfect or messy, she loves the creative process. Kate pulls out her smartphone and takes a quick, pretty photo of her cappuccino next to the blue coffee machine. She writes a short message, "A cozy blue morning," and shares it on social media with her friends. Sharing her small, daily joys makes her happy. She takes her warm cappuccino and sits down near the window. She takes a first sip. The sweet, warm milk foam blends perfectly with the rich espresso. It tastes creamy, smooth, and delicious. Kate puts her warm cup on the wooden table. She opens a small notebook. Every morning, while drinking her coffee, she likes to write down 3 simple things she is thankful for. Today, she writes, "The warm morning sun, my blue coffee corner, and a delicious cappuccino." Writing down her thoughts helps her start the day with a grateful heart and a clear mind. She takes another small sip of the warm milk foam. You don't need a big house or fancy trips to feel happy. A quiet morning, a good coffee machine, and time for yourself are already enough. Living alone gives her the freedom to create these quiet, self-loving moments. Her blue coffee corner is her happy place. Thank you so much for spending this quiet morning with us. Do you like making coffee at home? What is your favorite coffee to drink? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Have a soft and peaceful day. Bye-bye.